Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show how to download Oracle Java 8 on Windows. So first of all, open any browser and search Java 8 download. So you can see, scroll down, you can see it is Oracle official website and click this link. So it is standard edition of Java 8. It is LTS version. You can scroll down. So we can see here it is showing Windows 64 and it is exe file. Click this link, so it will be show for license agreement. You can check box and it will be redirected to login page. Here it is asking for login, but already I have account. If you have not, first create account. You can click create account. Here fill all details for create account. Once it is done, get back to previous page. I am login with my username. Click next, sign in. So once you have click sign in, it automatically download your exe file. Here it is asking OTP verification. Now it is downloading. Now it is done. Just double click. Default option yes every time. Next. So this is our directory. Go next. Okay. Go next. So now it is done and close. So now we need to be configure search environment. Go to environment variable and here system variable is present. Go to path, click edit and open your file manager. Come to program file and here Java is present. So JDK, copy file location. So create here new and paste that one and okay. And here also we need to be create Java home. Here write Java home and copy paste that directory and delete bin1 and click OK. Here OK, here OK. Now we can check is it installed or not in CMD. CMD, just write Java version. So now we can see it is installed and 1.8 it is version. Thank you.